Yo, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to put a green screen effect in your video on DaVinci Resolve 16. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So first off, what you want to do is you want to open DaVinci Resolve, start a new untitled project. Before I do anything, I'm going to go in the bottom right, and I'm going to change my video format to 1080p 60. I would advise you to do the same. That's what I do to all my videos. So basically what you should do now is you want to, first off, take the video that you would like to put on the behind the thing that you want to put on that you want to turn to the green screen. So I'm going to go into my videos, my captures. I will import a Roblox clip and I will drag it right here. Once you drag your clip in, what you want to do is you want to go to the spot where you want to insert your green screen effect, and you want to import that green screen. So the dance 46021 or whatever you call it. Well, this is what I'm doing right now. You want to press open and it appears right here. So what you want to do is you want to drag it over top where you want it to be. So now if you see it, it looks like that. Now you don't want it to look like that. So what you want to do is you want to double click on it so that it outlines it in red. You want to go down here to where if you hover over it, it says color. You want to press on color. You want to make sure it's selected over here. First of all, you want to, up here in this area right here, you want to right click and press add alpha output. Once you press that, you want to see this little blue thing right here. You want to drag this all the way down to the other blue point right here. Once you do that, you want to, down here in the selection range, you want to press on this icon right here. You want to press on that, and then you want to press on the green part, or whatever color you want to get rid of. And this works for any color you want. Like, I could get rid of his pants right now, like that would still work, but I'm just gonna be doing the green screen. You guys are probably gonna be doing that too, but like if it was red in the background, it would not make a difference. So you want to press on it, and then it actually gets rid of the Steve dude himself. So if you play it, he's dancing around like that, and you don't want that. So what you want to do now is down in the selection range thing again right here. It's called the invert button. You want to press the invert icon so that it gets rid of all the green in the background and just does this. What you want to do once you're there is you want to change the in and out ratio right here all the way to -100. So you just keep swiping to the left. It starts at 0. You want to swipe all the way to the left. Drag it and swipe to the left to make it -100. Once you do that, you want to turn your blur radius just up enough so that you can't see much more green. So what you want to do now is you see this little feather icon right here. If you hover over it, oh, it doesn't say anything. Basically what you want to do is you want to press on the feather plus icon, not the minus, the plus, and then you want to press the outside. Oh, my bad. You want to, oh, sorry, not press the outside. You want to press the little bit of green on the outside, and if there still is some, then obviously you can make the blur radius a little higher, but it should be pretty good. And if that doesn't look good enough, you can go back to this, and like as you see, it looks really good right now. I might turn the blur radius a little bit higher so that it gets rid of the outside. Alright, so yeah, what's it called? The touch feather up thingy. You can do that. I feel like the blur radius works a little better. See, it looks a lot more smooth than if I were to do that touch up thingy. But yeah, either way, it works fine. Whatever you feel like doing. And so once you do that, you can save. Make sure you save it. This is until a project edited. I'm gonna be deleting this right after because it was just a video example. But yeah, basically once you're done that, you want to go back to your timeline and go back to the beginning of your clip, and it should appear like perfectly. So yeah, I hope this helped.